Asset. An asset is a resource controlled by a business that is expected to provide future economic benefit. Assets are mainly classified into two categories. Number one, non-current asset. Number two, current asset. Non-current asset. A non-current asset is an asset held for long-term use in the business, normally for more than 1 year. Non-current assets include property, plant and equipment, intangible asset, long-term investment, deferred tax asset, and other non-current asset. Now, current asset. A current asset is an asset expected to be converted into cash, sold, or consumed within 1 year or the normal operating cycle. Current assets include cash and cash equivalents, accounts receivable, inventory, prepaid expenses, and other current assets. So remember, long-term resources are non-current asset while short-term resources are current asset. Understanding asset classification is essential for reading and analyzing a balance sheet.